Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll demonstrate how to create a before and after effect using CapCut on PC. So I'll walk you through the entire process. Now without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So right over here we have two videos as you can see, and I already created this effect. So I'm just gonna drag this video over here, and then I'm gonna show you what you need to do. So you basically probably already saw what I've done there. So if you you have this video, so you see, and I'm gonna click on the other video, and here you can see we just need to enable mask, right? And when you enable mask, I'm also gonna do that so I can recreate it. So you can click on horizontal here, you rotate this, and now you see, if you're also looking for this kind of effect, which looks pretty nice as well, if you want something to be cut before and after, you can write here, which we're gonna write right now. We can click and add here before. It's nice. Here we have this background. Of course we can edit this background, so I can make this text bold if I want, like this. Maybe it looks pretty nice and really, really eye-catching. So I'm gonna select this. This should be play for the entire time this video is playing before, and then I can drag up while holding option, right? And I'm gonna move this here before and now, before and after. Perfect. Looks pretty good. Now what you're gonna need to do here, you're gonna have to move this right over here. So let's think. Let's think. So we're gonna make this look like this, or this should move like so, like this. So okay, we can also move this up and this down. So we already have this in place here, and then you add a mask for this and then remove the other mask for this intro, and now we can have this effect. I see that there is already a mask going on here, so yeah, it's from later. So if I click now, check this, and now it moves for this video, which is, if we hide this, is the one that we already created. We had this horizontal as I showed you, but as you can see, it's actually moving left and right. So how you can achieve this wheel? I'm just gonna reset this, rotate this, move this at the end, and now you just need to add a keyframe here. Click on keyframe, and then at the end you just drag this all the way to the end, and you create a keyframe, or you create this reveal effect. That looks pretty nice. You can also add this kind of like, so it's not really sharp a line, it's more blurry, like a feather, and now looks pretty nice. So yeah, now after I showed you, also I decided at the end of this video to show some tips and tricks with you. So I'm going to show you a reveal text effect that you can create. So it's pretty nice. Alright, so now I'm going to show you a couple of tips. I'm going to share with you a couple of tips. So the first one that I'm using quite a lot when I'm recording myself. So the first one is camera tracking. So if you're moving a lot, this can be very helpful. So just enable your face, and then also check this one, auto reframe. Okay. Then here, just select your resolution. Maybe you want this one, maybe you want something for TikTok. This can be very helpful because it will actually track the movement of your face. As you can see, super helpful. Now another method is this one, or another tip that I have for you, sorry, is this one, which will make your video really nice, is this one. So you can add a facial here, select directional here, and then select whites, for instance. Then here you can increase. You just need to wait for this process to complete. This one is just gonna take a couple of seconds. You can also see applying relight. It's a great effect. So while we're waiting, I'm also gonna share with you this effect is enhanced voice, super helpful, and is really gonna fix the audio. Also make sure you check noise reduction, and we can now go back and check this. Okay, so we can see the effect. He really tracks the face, like you can see, like it's a 3D object, and you can add some light where you want, where you see that is missing, and then you can add some ambient light. Right, we can add one here, same directional, and then increase the intensity. And then second one, radius as well, and the third one, which should be this one here. Okay, and look, there's a huge difference now. Video looks much better. You can also go to curves here and add 3 dots, and now one in the middle, and move. And now we can add an animation at the start of the video, and then one at the end of the video. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have more questions about CapCut, let me know in the comments section. I'll create a tutorial for you. And leave your comments down below, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.